Hey there, today I'm going to show you how easily you can use NotebookLM on your Windows PC to interact with AI for boost your workflow. For that, first you have to open up your any browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. Once the page loads, you will see a welcome prompt. And now at the bottom, you can see a demo of NotebookLM. Here all things are organized. And now to create a new notebook, you have to back from here and go for create a new notebook. Now at the bottom, you have to upload your sources. I upload a PDF. Then again, I can add more sources like Google Docs, Google Slides, add preferable website links, YouTube links, or just paste text directly here. But note that you can add up to 50 sources per notebook. So now let's say you copy a few topics links and paste them in. After copy and paste the link here, you have to insert it and notice NotebookLM starts showing you a summary of your uploaded content. You will see chat option where you can ask questions based on your content. Just type in your queries and NotebookLM will give you clear AI generated answer. Isn't it super useful for studying or research? You can save any important response as notes. After next to the first summary, you can see the save notes option. And then one of the coolest feature is the audio overview. After you upload sources, it creates a spoken summary of the topic. It takes a few seconds to generate, but once it's ready, you will hear a full conversation that helps you understand the material better.
And everyone was watching.
Yeah, definitely.
It's coming to the iPhones to the banks.
And if you're still confused about something, click on interactive mode to join the conversation. You can ask more specific questions and get answers explained in a really simple way. Let's ask something. Everyone's talking about Apple Intelligence. How do you think it compares to ChatGPT or Gemini?
That's a great question. And it's definitely on a lot of people's minds.
It really highlights the central question of this WWDC.
Pretty interesting. Once the conversation is done, you can download or share it with others, handy for group projects or study session. And next, the mind map view. Click on mind map and it will turn your topic into a visual chart or graph. It breaks everything into parts, which makes it way easier to understand the full picture. You can also analyze one by one topic by clicking on that, and it will explain the topic clearly. Honestly, this part my favorite. There have extra tool add more notes anytime. You can explore the study guide feature to help with exam preparation, get a briefing doc to summarize topics quickly. Next, you can check out the FAQ section for common questions and answer. And lastly, use the timeline view to see how events or topic unfold step by step. Isn't the full guide is really amazing? After back from here, it will automatically saved on your NotebookLM profile. Isn't it really useful? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.